Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm a managing partner at Pulastya Legal. In this video, we will talk about something slightly legal. I will try to break it down so that you understand this concept in detail, so please make sure you stay with me till the end of the video and make sure you leave your questions or comments in the comment section below. So this video is related to protecting your trademark in a foreign country. I have made a separate video with respect to international trademark registration and you can watch that video here. If you're someone who wants to file your trademark application in a foreign country, you should probably check out that video first. Okay, so if you have to file your trademark application in a foreign country, you can file a trademark in that country directly. But let's say you have to protect your brand name in multiple countries, for example 30 or 40 countries. What happens in those cases? You've got two options. One, you file 30 or 40 separate independent applications. You deal with 30 or 40 attorneys, you deal with 30 or 40 procedural requirements, different language requirements, so on and so forth, and you file independent application in these countries. The other option that you have is you file a single application through World Intellectual Property Organization, and this application that you can file is often referred to as the Madrid Protocol application. So to solve the problem of dealing with multiple attorneys and multiple jurisdictions and multiple legal requirements, we have something known as a Madrid Protocol application. It's a very simple and a centralized procedural benefit that you have with which you can protect your trademarks in a very simplified manner. So the Madrid Protocol is an international treaty that provides a relatively simpler, streamlined and centralized system for trademark registration and protection. It allows trademark owners to seek protection for their marks in multiple countries through a single application process with a simplified process and a much lesser cost. So here's how Madrid Protocol works. The first step is filing a basic application. If you are a business in India, then the base application will be filed in India. And this will serve as the basis of your international application in other Madrid Protocol countries. Once you have filed the application in a home country which serves as the foundation of your Madrid Protocol application, you have to submit an international application through the World Intellectual Property Organization or commonly referred to as WIPO. This application designates one or more member countries in which you wish to expand your application into. So what are member countries? Member countries are those countries that have agreed to be a part of the Madrid Treaty, Madrid System, and accept a trademark application through World Intellectual Property Organization, or as we commonly call it, WIPO. Some of the notable member countries are United States, European Union, Brazil, South Korea, Australia, Canada, India, United Kingdom, Singapore, and so on and so forth. In the description box, you can see the link of all the member countries that I've listed for you. Procedural Examination. Once you have filed the application with WIPO, WIPO will ensure that you are complying with all the procedural requirements. For example, you've submitted the documents properly, you have paid the proper fees, so on and so forth. Next, Substantive Examination. After the initial examination, WIPO will forward your application to each designated countries that you have chosen in your application for substantive examination. So I want to take a moment here to explain you what is a procedural examination and what is a substantive examination. See, a procedural examination is basically to ensure that you have followed all the procedures. You have submitted the right paperwork, you've paid the required fees, so on and so forth. A substantive examination, on the other hand, means that you have complied with the local national laws. For example, if the law of a country says that you're not supposed to have confusingly similar trademarks, so it'll make sure that you have not chosen a name that is similar to an existing brand name in that particular country. The next step is protection in the designated countries. If a designated country examines your trademark and feels that your trademark is not similar to any other existing trademark in that country, and it fulfills the requirements of registration of that country and approves your trademark, it will be protected as if it were filed in that country directly. The mark will be subject to the local national laws and regulations of that country, and it can be enforced accordingly. The other thing I want to talk to you about is centralized management. The Madrid Protocol simplifies the trademark management by allowing the trademark owner to make changes or renewals centrally through WIPO. Any changes such as the change of ownership or address, etc. can be recorded directly through WIPO. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is renewal. The international registration is valid for 10 years as long as you keep your trademark alive in that particular country. Madrid Protocol allows you to renew your trademark in as many foreign countries as possible through a centralized process as well. See, the Madrid Protocol offers several benefits, including cost savings, simplified management, and the ability to extend the trademark protection to multiple countries with a single application. It simplifies the process and the headache for businesses and individuals who are trying to seek international trademark protection. Now, a very common question that is often asked is how much does it cost to file an application through Madrid Protocol process? And the answer completely depends on the number of states or the number of member countries that you choose. In the description box, I'm going to share with you a link where you can yourself calculate how much it's going to cost for you to file a trademark application in all the countries that are listed there. In the link that I've mentioned, you just have to enter if you're filing a new application or renewing, what is the office of origin? So in case your trademark is registered, your base application is in India, you have to choose India as the office of origin. And how many classes are you filing your trademark or renewing your trademark under? After that, you select the number of countries you want to choose from the member countries list, and you'll get a fair estimation as to how much is the government fees that you can expect to pay. If you have any questions regarding the fee calculation process, you can leave your comment in the section below. I also want to stress about the importance of having a good trademark attorney of your choice who knows the procedures and filing requirements of Madrid Protocol and who can help you navigate through this process. I encourage you to talk to a lawyer of your choice to know more. So to sum up, I just want to say that Madrid Protocol trademark application is an excellent procedural benefit that you can avail in case you wish to file your trademark in multiple countries through a centralized process. It is truly a global system that can help you protect your trademark, but you must be careful at all steps to make sure your budgets are in control and you're on top of all the updates and you monitor your trademarks at regular intervals. All the very best, and if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and share and like this video for more fun-related content like this.